Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make a velvety corn soup. This is a vegan and gluten-free soup that is perfect for the summer, especially when you can get the fresh, local cut corn in the morning. In this recipe, I will use 5 fresh ears of corn, 3 stalks of celery, 1 medium onions, 1 Yukon potato about 8 ounces, 3 tablespoons of corn oil and 4 ounces of butter, and 1 teaspoon white pepper powder. First, very carefully cut the corn kernel from the cup, one side at a time, and save the cobs and put kernels and the cobs in 2 separate bowls. Then thinly slice the celery and thinly slice the onions. Heat 3 tablespoons of corn oil in a stainless steel pot. Sauté the onion and celery until soft. Then add corn cobs to the pot. Then add 8 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil and turn the heat to medium-low, and then add the corn kernels, potatoes, salt, white pepper, and butter. And cover the pot and simmer for about 1.5 hours. Turn off the heat, let cool down a little bit. Then you remove the corn cobs and discard. Transfer the remaining soup to a blender and puree until all the ingredients are smooth. Then strain into a bowl and discard the solid. This recipe will yield about 7 cups of corn soup. The soup should be rich and creamy, and if the soup is too watery, you can put the soup back into the stove and cook down a little bit. There are many ways you can serve this dish. This soup works both hot and chilled, plain or topped with corn, grilled shrimp, or crab meat, and topped with basil. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.